Hi guys, but no hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to use AND, Diode, NAND, NOR, NOT, OR, and XOR gates. So make sure to subscribe or I will take all your diamonds. The first one is the AND gate. You need two switches on to make this work. The next one is the diode. It just works like a delayer. Now this one is the NAND gate. It just works like the AND gate but does the opposite thing. You need two switches off to make it work. Now this one is the NOR gate. Turn either one switch on to turn this off. And this one is the NOT gate. If you turn the switch on it will turn off and vice versa. This is the OR gate. Turn either one switch on to make this work. And lastly, the XOR gate. If you turn one switch on, it will work, but if two, it turns off. It's useful for two switch lights.